Welcome, all tech enthusiasts and curious minds, to a journey into a very near future of the artificial intelligence. For years, we have talked about AI as a tool, a powerful calculator, a sophisticated pattern recognizer, or a chatbot that responds to our commands. But what if the AI could go beyond merely responding? What if it could initiate? What if it could plan, execute, and adapt to achieve a complex goal without consent of the human oversight? That's the future, and it's just not far away. It's just visible on the horizon, and it's here. Today, we are diving deep into the revolutionary concept of the agentic AI, where AI isn't just a reactive system but an autonomous agent learning to act entirely on its own. This isn't just another incremental upgrade, this is a fundamental shift, moving us from AI that simply automates uh, to AI that can organize, align, and act independently. It's about AI gaining a newfound sense of agency, transforming how we work, live, and interact with technology. So get ready to explore a world where AI doesn't just answer your questions, but actively solves your problems. So, what exactly is agentic AI? To truly grasp it, let's first consider what traditional AI often look like. Well, think of a classic chatbot. You ask a question, it provides an answer, or a factory robot. It performs a programmed task with precision. These are reactive systems. They wait for an input, then execute a predefined response or a task. Agentic AI, on the other hand, however, introduce a crucial layer which is known as autonomy. An AI agent is a system designed to pursue a defined objective, making its own decisions and performing actions in a dynamic environment within minimal or direct human intervention in each step. It's not just about doing a task, it's about achieving an objective. This involves a continuous loop, starting with goal setting. The agent understands the high level objective and therefore you don't have to tell the goal. Planning. It breaks down that objective into series of smaller actionable steps. Then action execution. It performs those steps, often interacting with various tools, software, or even the physical world. Observations. It monitors the result of its action. Reflection and adaptation. It learns from its observations, adjusting its plan, or even its understanding of the goal and iterates. Think of it in this way. Instead of telling an AI, write an email to John about meeting, you might tell an agentic AI handle all communications related to upcoming project launches. The agent would then proactively draft emails, schedule reminders, send updates, and even coordinate with other systems or people as needed. Interpreting the context and acting strategically. This is the shift from tool we command. It's a system that collaborates with us by taking initiatives. So, what incredible technology advancements are fueling this leap from reactive AI to autonomous agents? It's not just one breakthrough, but a convergence of several technologies. The bedrock of such agentic AI today are the large language models, or LLMs. LLMs like GPT-4 or Gemini has shown an unprecedented ability to understand, generate, and reason with human language. This isn't just about sounding human, it's about grasping the concept, inferring intent, and even performing complex reasoning tasks that are once thought exclusive for humans. This capability allows agents to understand the diverse goals, from vague requests to detailed project brief, generate coherent plans, breaking down complex objectives into logical steps, communicate effectively, interacting with humans and other systems. But LLMs alone aren't enough for true agency. They need a mechanism to learn from their actions and adapt. That is where the reinforced learning (RL) comes in. Imagine teaching a dog some tricks. You give a command, and if the dog performs it correctly, you give it a treat. If not, no treat. Reinforcement learning works similarly. An AI agent interact with its environment, perform actions, and receives a reward for actions that move it closer to its goal, and penalties for action that didn't. So, over countless iterations, the agent learns the optimal strategies to achieve its objective. This is crucial for autonomous behavior, allowing AI to learn from experience, adapting its strategies based on real world feedback, optimize for goal, discovering the most efficient path to success, handle uncertainty, making decisions in unpredictable environments, and host, which is going beyond learning. Agentic AI needs to plan. This involves sophisticated algorithm that can chart a course of action. These planning algorithms allow the agent to break down complex tasks, decomposing a large objective into manageable sub goals, forecast outcomes, which is simulating potential consequence of different actions, prioritize steps, deciding the most logical and efficient sequence of the operations, and finally to act in the real or digital world. AI agent needs tool integration. Think of an agent having a set of digital hands. These hands are APIs, which stands for Application Programming Interfaces, that allow the AI to interact with various software applications, databases, and even physical devices. This means that the agent can send emails using an email client, schedule meetings using your calendar, search the web to gather information, manipulate data in spreadsheets or databases. It's a combination of powerful language understanding, adapting learning, intelligent planning, and seamless tool interaction that gives agentic AI its unprecedented ability to act autonomously. This isn't just theoretical. Agentic AI is already making significant inroads, transforming industries and streamlining operations in a way that was unimaginable just a few years ago. Let's look at some of the compelling real world applications. One of the most immediate and impactful area in personal and business productivity. Imagine an AI assistant that truly manages your digital life. Things like email management. Beyond just drafting replies, an agentic AI could prioritize your inbox, draft responses based on context, schedule follow-ups, and even filter out spam with a level of accuracy that understands your preferences over time. It could also proactively schedule meetings based on everyone's availability, send reminders, rearrange appointment when conflicts arises, and even suggest optimal time for tasks based on your energy levels and existing commitments. Instead of you manually searching through documents or the internet for projects, an agent could autonomously gather relevant data, summarize the key points, identify trends, and present to you with actionable insight, acting as research assistant. In the realm of logistics and supply chain management, agentic AI is a game changer. Self-driving delivery vehicles or drones powered by agentic AI can dynamically reroute based on real-time traffic weather or unexpected delays, ensuring optimal delivery times. An agent can monitor stock levels, predict demand fluctuations, and automatically trigger orders for replenishment, minimizing waste and preventing shortages. Autonomous robots in warehouses aren't just following these simple commands, they are often agentic, making real time decisions about pathfinding, item retrieval, and even coordinating with other robots to fulfill orders with maximum efficiencies. Companies like Amazon are using such systems are a great example. Customer service is another sector where agentic AI are being used, and the industry itself is getting redefined. Instead of waiting for a customer to complain, an agentic AI could monitor product performance or user behavior, identify potential issues, proactively reach out to customers with solutions or advice, preempting the problem. Modern chatbots are evolving into agents that can handle multi step customer inquiries, assessing various databases, processing information, and executing actions like processing refunds, changing subscriptions, or guiding users through complex troubleshooting steps, mimicking a highly committed human agent. And in high stake fields like finance and cybersecurity, agentic AI is proving invaluable. AI agent can monitor millions of transactions in real time, identifying anonymous patterns indicative of fraud, and autonomously block suspicious activity or flag it for human review, significantly reducing financial losses. JP Morgan Chase is using AI, and it's a very good example of deploying the agentic AI. Instead of human analysts shifting through countless alerts, agentic AI can identify sophisticated cyber threats, analyze their potential impact, and even initiate defensive measures like isolating compromised systems, all in milliseconds. There are several companies like Darktrace and Pioneers are a good example here. These examples barely scratch the surface. From personalized healthcare plan to smart energy grid management, agentic AI is poised to touch every facet of lives, taking on complex, dynamic tasks and freeing up human potential. The implications of agentic AI are profound, opening up new area of benefit and opportunities. This is perhaps the most immediate and tangible benefit. By automating complex, multi step workflow that previously required significant human effort. Agentic AI allows individuals and organizations to achieve more with less. Tedious, repetitive, and time consuming tasks can be offloaded entirely to AI agents, freeing up humans to focus on higher value, strategic, and creative work. Imagine the cumulative hours saved globally. Agentic AI can process and analyze vast amount of data in real time, far beyond the human capacity. It can identify patterns, predict trends, and simulate outcomes with remarkable speed and accuracy. This translates to data driven insights that empower better, faster, and more informed decisions across all levels of an organization, from strategic planning to operational adjustments. Traditional automation often struggles with sudden changes or increased demand. Agentic AI, with its ability to learn and adapt, can scale into operations rapidly. If a customer service agent suddenly faces a surge of queries, the AI system can dynamically allocate resources, adjust its strategies, and maintain performance, ensuring consistent service even during peak time. This flexibility is crucial for dynamic business environment. And crucially, the agentic AI isn't just about replacing humans, it's about augmenting human capabilities. It acts as intelligent co-pilot, handling the mundane and complex, allowing humans to focus on tasks that require uniquely human traits: creativity, empathy, ethical reasoning, and complex problem solving. This fosters a symbolic relationship where human intelligence is amplified by AI. While the promise of agentic AI is immense, we must approach its development and deployment with careful consideration of challenges and ethical dilemmas it presents. The very autonomy that makes it powerful also introduces no complexities. For instance, how does an AI agent arrive at a particular decision or an action, especially when it is learning and adapting autonomously? Understanding the why behind an agent behavior can be incredibly difficult, particularly with complex deep learning models. This lack of transparency, often called the black box problem, makes it challenging to audit, debug, or even trust the AI decisions, especially in the critical application like healthcare or finance. On the other hand, when an AI agent is making an autonomous decisions, what impact human lives or livelihood will experience? Who is accountable if something goes wrong? How do we ensure that these systems align with human values, fairness, and ethical principles? Biases present in training data can be perpetuated or even amplified by the autonomous agents, leading to discriminatory outcomes. Establishing clear ethical guidelines and embedding them into AI design is definitely paramount. Autonomous AI agents, by their nature, interact with multiple systems and data sources. This expand attack surface, create new security risk. Malicious actors could potentially exploit the vulnerability in an agent's learning process or its interface to manipulate its decisions or gain unauthorized access to sensitive data. Robust security and protocol and continuous monitoring are absolutely critical, no thoughts about it. While agentic AI promises to free humans from tedious tasks, it inevitably raises concerns about the job displacement. As more complex tasks become automated, certain roles may diminish. We need proactive strategies for workforce reskilling and upskilling to prepare for this transition, focusing on the new type of job that will emerge alongside autonomous AI. The rapid pace of AI development often outstrips the regulatory capacity. Developing appropriate legal and ethical framework to govern the development and deployment of agentic AI is a complex but urgent task to ensure responsible innovation and mitigation potential. Also, looking at the societal risk. Addressing these challenges require a concentrated effort from technologists, policymakers, ethicists, and society as a whole. It's about harnessing the power of AI while ensuring it serves humanity responsibly. So, what does the road ahead looks like for agentic AI? Because the journey is just beginning. We will see an increase in multi agent systems where specialized AI agents collaborate to achieve larger, more complex objectives. Imagine a team of AI agents, such as an expert in specific domain, one for data analysis, one for communication, one for logistics, all working together seamlessly, orchestrated by a central meta agent. This will unlock the capability far beyond what a single agent can achieve. This integration of agentic AI with physical world will become more sophisticated, leading the even more advanced robotics, smart environments, and autonomous systems in areas like agriculture, manufacturing, and even personal assistant. Ultimately, the future of agentic AI is about creating a symbiotic relationship between humans and intelligent machines. AI agent will become indispensable partner handling ever increasing complexities of the digital world, allowing us to focus on what humans do best, which is innovate, create, and connect. Agentic AI is more than just a technological marvel, it's a paradigm shift. It's a move towards a future where AI isn't just a passive tool but an active, intelligent, and autonomous force that can significantly enhance our capability and reshape our world. So, as we continue to develop these powerful systems, the focus must remain on the responsible innovation, ensuring that these autonomous agents are built with transparency, ethics, and human well being at their core. What are your thoughts on the agentic AI? How does you see it changing your world? Share your comments below. If you found this deep dive valuable, please give us a like, a share in this video, and subscribe for more insight into cutting edge of technology. So thank you for joining me on this exploration of agentic AI, where AI is truly learning to act on its own. So thank you friends, and see you next time. Bye for now.